All right, and good morning, brothers and sisters. Word for the day Ecclesiastes 7, verses 11 and 12. Wisdom is good with an inheritance, and profitable to those who see the sun. For wisdom is a defense, as money is a defense. But the excellence of knowledge is that wisdom gives life to those who have it. Now, as I was reading, studying the spirit of wisdom this morning, my glasses are fogging up. There was in my inserts in my study Bible, it gave me a quick rundown of 12 different blessings of wisdom. 1. Wisdom excels folly. 2. Wisdom does not allow one to be discouraged through questions about better former days. 3. Wisdom is wisdom with the good inheritance. It is good with an inheritance, for it helps one to know how to use what he has received to the best advantage to the future, for the future. 4. Wisdom enables a man to make profit. 5. Wisdom is defense. 6. Wisdom gives life. 7. Wisdom is better than strength. Definitely. 8. Wisdom proves all things. 9. Wisdom gives joy and boldness. 10. Wisdom delivers in war. 11. Wisdom is better than weapons of war. And 12. Wisdom is profitable to direct. And I have to agree with quite a bit of these. Actually, I agree with all 12, but the ones that stand out this morning for me is that wisdom does excel folly. It excels foolishness. When I was younger, I would just speak on what I thought I knew from the streets, which it was street stuff, but it had nothing to do with life. It had to do with survival. There's a difference in surviving and living. And I didn't learn how to live while I was in California. It's until I came to the Midwest that I began to learn how to live. I thought I was living for Christ in California. I wasn't. I was surviving. I was surviving in the Lord, and it's because of just the culture out there. It was very heavy, very oppressive. But it does excel folly. Another one, wisdom gives life. Man, it's interesting how nowadays when you begin to study wisdom and you do make better decisions. You tend to weigh things out now. You don't do things emotionally. You don't make decisions out of feelings or I think. Um, your decisions aren't double tongued. They're not two sided. Maybe kind of sort of shoulda woulda coulda. No, it's yes or no. Let your yes be yes and your no be no. Wisdom really helps out too when you study it, because when people come to you, you can tell when they want to debate or argue. They give you these questions about life or things, and they want to know exactly what your thoughts are on that. Once you start studying wisdom and you run down the 7 pillars of wisdom, you realize that you can't apply any of those pillars to that question. Then the best way to answer them is this: I'm sorry, bro, there's no wisdom in it. I don't know how to answer you, but there's no wisdom in that question. Therefore, I can't give you any answer that's going to benefit you or benefit anyone. And they tend to get frustrated. And I don't do that to frustrate them. I do that to protect myself, because if someone's coming to me with questions to trip me up and I see that there's no wisdom in it, the best defense to avoid moving any further is there is no wisdom in them. So I'm going to stop right there. Uh, Long day ahead of us. It's a new week. May the Lord bless you all. Keep you safe at work. And ask God to give you wisdom. Okay? Much love to you all. Peace be with you. And remember, choose wisdom over the world. God bless.